Now I'm going to show you how to ink a pad.
Always shake your medium, and this not only for our mediums, but all mediums, because you've also always got carriers and pigments that you need to get all together.
Our ink pads and ink come separately. These are IOD decor inks and they come in the bottle. I'm going to go ahead and fill the stamp. Our inks are specially formulated for decor projects. So I simply run the ink over the pad like so, being nice and juicy, and going right up to the edge. And then I stop squeezing and I just use the tip to work it in. Store your ink pads upside down so the ink stays on the surface. And then when you go to do a project, if it's been a while since you've inked your pad up, give it a refresher. Okay, so I've got it ready, and here I go. You want to make sure you're covering the surface of the design without being so juicy that it gets sloppy, okay? Turn it over. Now, when you're applying your stamp, you want to hover a little bit. Make sure you're in the right spot. The grids really help on the thin mounts. And then as you come down, don't shift. Commit. Hold it still. Use one hand to hold it steady, the other hand to gently run over the surface so that you're making contact. Now, if this were fabric, I might go a little bit juicier and maybe hesitate a little bit longer, linger a little bit longer to make sure you really get good contact with that medium and the fabric. And then you lift gently up, and voila, you've got your design. Isn't that pretty? I always get so excited after you see the design on there.